Welcome back to Crypto Lodge Live. Let's take a look at some charts here and start with Bitcoin, of course, as well as Bitcoin dominance. Let me open up my phone. That's how I see the chat while I'm streaming. Hit the thumbs up button if you're here. It helps bring more people in. And welcome back. Let me just share this link with the group. It doesn't look like the right one. Maybe it is. Wrong icon though. Okay. So let's start off just looking at Bitcoin with multiple indicators. I'm specifically looking at the weekly. That didn't pan out. It could still pan out if we get a good bounce. But I've been saying that this wasn't a good enough test. We didn't even touch. This was much better. We got a great bounce off that. That was a 73% gain in 49 days for the largest crypto by far. Since then, we've pulled back continuously. %22% in the past 3 weeks. So not looking good on the 30-day. Let me join the chat here. Hit thumbs up if you just got here. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop. Maybe it'll find resistance here at 50K. It probably won't even go all the way down unless we get a shakeout. But ultimately, it's going up, obviously. This is a short chart. Let me find the historical. Alright, so this chart has much more data. It goes all the way back to the beginning when Bitcoin wicked down to 1 cent. Can you believe it? It was on the market for 1 cent in 2010. Hey, what's up, Tom? Yeah, Jam, let me check out Baby Swap. You made a good call on Baby Swap, and you've diamond handed that. Over $1 billion market cap. Look at these crazy wicks. Let's see how long they even last. If you even have a chance to sell. Have to go logarithmic on this. So there it was. It only lasted less than a minute, so I'm sure you're not able to sell those. Not sure what causes these, but it doesn't seem to make a difference to the price. Like, it jumps up 241% in 10 seconds and then back down. Not quite sure what that is. but they are getting higher. Let's check out the 4-hour. Actually, let's check out the daily. That's obviously some sort of bot action or arbitrage going on, but they're getting higher with the price. I wouldn't even worry about that. GM, you've been holding this for a long time. Not sure exactly when you bought it, but you're probably up a great amount. I've been good. I cashed out of crypto today. Most of my positions I cashed out for Christmas. It's painful selling crypto, but it is what it is. Let's check out the hourly here. See what we can make out. Baby Swap's doing remarkably well. You got this current trend. It's been on this trend for 16 days. It could likely come back down and touch this before making another bounce up. Yeah, you diamond handed this through some pretty crazy, some long periods of downtime. Like here was, you were watching your balance go down for 74 days there. I'm not sure when you bought in. Yeah, you bought it 32 cents. Okay. See, so you held it, or did you get it down here on the dip? Did you buy it all the way back here at 32 or on the dip here? If you bought it on the dip there, you made an amazing trade. 451% in 21 days, and it's going higher. If you bought it back here at 23, still a great trade, and diamond hands, because you watched it fall for most of the time. Jam said, I just bought Eternal. Was that a bad move? I bought Eternal too. I bought that dip. I didn't catch it at $50. I caught it at $100. Let's see what we're looking at now. $64. Not looking good. But it's still the most actively played game on Binance. Binance Gaming. Activity. I don't see. There we go. Top BSC games. Crypto Mines is #1 still, with 138,000 daily active users. The next in line only has 30,000. So this has 108,000 more users than the next one in line. So I believe it can make a comeback. I think people just aren't too confident in it right now. But it's still the top. Let's look at some more statistics here. I never played the game. Now is a good time to probably play, because everything's cheaper now. Obviously the game was profitable. Here we go. Users is going down. Users were, this is historical. Here's 7 days. Let's go to 30 days. So right here, orange is users. So users is not going down. Volume in transactions has gone down a lot. They're pretty much bottoming out. So I don't know. I would keep an eye on this chart. Because we're volume in transactions, I guess they're only talking about the coin. I don't know. Users is still high though. But I wonder if they're counting user accounts that are not playing anymore. But technically they still have an account. I don't know. Jam Nafu said, "What's up with Sup Dog?" I sold Sup Dog. The first episode was very underwhelming, and the price action very underwhelming. I was lucky enough to buy it early enough that I was still in profit. Decent amount of profit, but is what it is. This is Bitcoin's definitely coming down to test. Let's put the 8-week moving average on if I can fit it in here. Let's get rid of volume. And which one's the rainbow? Let's get rid of the rainbow. And let me add the eight-week moving average. I can't. Historically, if we come past the 8-week moving average, which we did, if it drops below the 8-week moving average, it is going to test the 20. And that's exactly what is happening here. So probably a bottom of around 52. Maybe a flash crash all the way down to 50. And then we should get a good bounce, which will take us to some greater heights. If we get if it comes down like that, let's underestimate a lot. To account for diminishing returns and all that. So let's say it hits bottom, flash crashes all the way down to 47, but ultimately closes on above the bull market support band, and we can go on this trip. That'll bring us to 80K. So this is in the cards. This looks like something that might happen. This is also on the cards before getting a move up. You never know. That'll still bring us to that'll bring us to 93. It's all just lines on a chart. But we're definitely coming down to test the 20-week again. But thankfully, Bitcoin dominance is continuing down. It's 41 now. I think a very healthy point in the market is going to be when it gets under 30. The lower this goes, the less Bitcoin affects the whole market. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of Bitcoin's movements affecting the price action of the better coins with more utility, more usage. They don't have the tokenomics of Bitcoin. They don't have halvings. They're not supposed to move in cycles. So soon, I think this is the end of cycles. Bitcoin dominance is going to continue to crash. Gaming tokens are going to spike regardless of what Bitcoin's doing. We're seeing selective action in the market already. Select coins are going up while Bitcoin's going down. What was it? Atom's up like crazy today. Tom Berwick, can you take a look at 1UP and RQBERT charts, please? Sure. So yeah, Luna is up 14% today, even though Bitcoin's down. Matic is up 10%. Atom's up 20%. Near Protocol is up 11%. And you know, we got a lot of low cap movers. Let's see here. Not too much pumping for the altcoins on KuCoin here. On a good green day, there's hundreds of percents. And Atom, Luna, Near, Matic, they're up good. And if we take a look at, let's see what Meta's doing. It has this strange price movement. I'm holding this coin. Not selling this. This could become a huge addictive game. It's back up a decent amount. But it just turned green on the day. Isn't that funny? Let me put it on the 1 hour. Just to show you. It puts in all these. This was like 27 green hours in a row. So that was a nice little comeback. It's going to trickle down again. I believe this will continue up. If you just look at the trend of it. I don't know. I think it'll make another leg up. That's Meta Pets. It's an addicting game on the phone. And then you got Micro Pets, which is doing nothing. Probably because the market's doing nothing, but it's still up. But it's far from its high. To get back to its high, it's only a 35 million market cap. Maybe the game failed. That's almost a 6x. Just to get back to the high. TTK I'm still holding. The Three Kingdoms, even though the token is looking like crap, it is still viable, in my opinion. I might even accumulate more of this, couple dollars here and there on these lows. So you wanted me to look at Jam. Should I hold Supdog? That's up to you. I don't know. Did you watch the episode? It wasn't even 3 minutes long. I'm going to take a look at 1UP. Wonder if that's on BSC here. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Is this it? Or is uptrend 1UP? That doesn't look good. There's quite a few one-ups. That looks good. That is a nice uptrend with a nice dip. Market cap. Let's find the market cap. Maximum supply is 61 million. Circulating supply is 60 million. That's good. Market cap is only 13 million. It's young. Let's throw it on the daily. And this is looking good. And that's a nice dip. What is tadpole with legs? Never heard of that. I've never seen that on Keck. And then there's froglet. What's up with this? Tadpole. Oh, it's the different, you know, there's whales. There's a whale. Wait. It's just showing you the different sizes of buys, I bet. So you can recognize quickly if it's a whale sell. So a froglet is 10,000 to 100,000. Tadpoles are 1,000 to 10,000. Gotta be a whale in there somewhere. Okay. Yeah, that is a great dip. It's actually testing the highs of the 25th of last month. And it's got a lot of support here. If you see, it was resistance for a long time. This line this line right here, it's actually under it a little bit. That's probably a good buy in my opinion. Let's find out what this actually is. OneUp.fun. Is this a game? A game with Ethereum fees. Everybody hit that thumbs up if you haven't. Helps bring more people in. We get more suggestions. Things get fun. Let's see. OneUp is a platform that allows users to stake native tokens in order to participate in a gaming ecosystem. Our platform will begin rapidly developing clones of classic retro games that are designed to draw in the largest possible user base and keep them playing. It is far easier to capture the public's imaginations with the simplicity and familiarity of the classic games that they know and love, and that's exactly what our marketing blitz will do. NFTs that had no profit potential beyond being novelties and collectibles will be actively utilized for profits in gaming. A massive segment of the population who were previously fearful, skeptical, or altogether ignorant of the potentials of crypto will have the opportunity to see it with fresh eyes, and with our user-friendly gaming platform, the opportunity for making gains in the NFT niche of DeFi is about to explode. It is implicit in our mission that someone's first time using OneUp will also be their first time downloading or using MetaMask. When it is time to cash out, it will likely be their first time using Uniswap. We aim to be a soft introduction, so they shouldn't be using Ethereum to the DeFi space. Rather than having to persuade anyone to learn about crypto, we will gently push them in this direction and allow it to happen organically and pay hundreds of dollars in gas fees. That's for every exchange. That's stupid. Engagement loop keeps you in. Candy Crush. Competition and greed. When you stake 1UP tokens, you can play and compete with people for real money. The small world of DeFi is itself already a similar game or competition in which there are winners and losers with every transaction. 1UP in the introduction of gaming, it's a DeFi, is the natural next step. It looks like this token might just be good to hodl, the 1UP token, because it's kind of killing it. Where is 1UP? Yeah, it's kind of killing it. Just put it on log here. That's up 621% in 48 days. It was up 1,000% in 46. Great trade for anyone who bought that. The market cap is still only 13 million. %100% of the supply is in circulation. Well, 98, so that's good. Tom Berwick said, yeah, I'm hodling. Their beta game launch looked awesome. I don't like the look of this website, but let me dig a little deeper here. Vesting. I guess they don't have a YouTube. So I don't really see any demo of, oh, like an old Mario. I guess it might be pretty cool. And the second one you wanted me to look at was a weird name. RQbert. Did you spell that wrong? Maybe just Qbert? No. Maybe just Rbert? No. You're gonna have to tell me what that coin was. Gameplay footage is on their Twitter. That's pretty cool. Only 1,700 followers, so you're early. You're early in this one. Good luck with that one, man. RQbert. What chain is that on? Probably Ethereum, huh? Well, here's RQbert. Is this it? It's got a market cap of 3.6 million. It launched not too long ago. Sports Fanatic said, I'm going to be honest, I don't know how these 2D 8-bit games are doing so well. Are they, though? Name a couple 2D 8-bit games that are doing well on Play to Earn. I don't think they're I don't think there are any. Bitcoin coming down. Just like I expect. Let's switch over to the 5-minute here. And let me actually go back to the week and put a dot right there where I think it's coming. Turn these off. Go back to the 5-minute. And how far are we from that dot now? Oh, I can't even find it. Oh well. Not looking too good on the minute. On the 5-minute. You know, Bitcoin has been flat for about a year now. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's go to the monthly. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 months. So it's been going flat for almost a year. It's at the same price it was almost a year ago. It actually hit 60K. February 1st, 2021. Now here we are at the end of 2021 at 53K. So this is exactly the type of consolidation you see before a next leg up. It's healthy. But we'll probably pull back a little before jumping up to 100K, 80K. Oro. This is inverted. Alright, let's find a better Oro. It's Ethereum, so we'll come to Keck. Oro, but one up looks like a good dip to buy. It's a small market cap. It'll probably keep growing a little. This is probably it right here. It's up 8% today, 19% this week. This is the daily, so never really had a great pump from launch and has only dumped down. Low volume, as you can see. We're on the daily. It moves for days without a single buy or sell. See, the last one was 5 minutes ago, but the last buy before that was a day ago, and the one before that was 9 days ago. And then a sell was 35 days ago. So, what is the market cap? Just under $1 million. Let's see what it is. OpenDefi.finance. If it's backed by Coinbase Ventures or something, then it's probably a buy. Where's the investors? Why does the market cap say 938 million? I do not think that's right. $98 million total supply. 3,000 holders. Okay, here's some different dexes. So here's some more data. I don't think we're looking at the right chart over here. So let's try to find Oro coin market cap. Open DeFi. 8 million market cap. Even though this still says 938. No, that's 938,000, so they're right. And coin market cap is wrong. Oh, that's fully diluted. So yeah, it's under 1 million market cap, and the whole price history launched, had a bunch of volatility, came down, now it's just riding probably the floor. It's probably the floor. So let's see who they're backed by. They got a debit card, an app, and a debit card. I don't see any VCs. No Binance Invest. Maybe that's in their paper. Huh. There's the white paper. So it's yield farming, cross-chain support. You'll be able to stake assets, flash loans, stake your assets and receive an instant loan against the assets. That's good. These are flash loans and are facilitated immediately. Enjoy liquidity on your investment. Instant exchange with no price slippage. Gold and silver. Oh. Real world assets like gold and silver. So you stake a stable coin like USDC for a smart contract that is backed by gold and silver and different assets. That's cool. All right. Oh, operant origins. God damn it, there's 100 of them. First one's probably the right one. I don't know. Let's find investors. Oh, it's a game.
This is a story that begins in time, 10,000 years in the future. Years of genetic evolution has led the operons in human DNA to evolve, making them a genetically superior species. Human operons are now divided into 4 affinities: fire, earth, ice, and magic. The intense battle of good with evil, the triumph of the strong, the fall of the weak.
Any gameplay?
This is combat. This is Operon Origins. Welcome to the most addictive NFT combat card game. Stake your Operon tokens and gather Operon points. Use these points to purchase NFTs and enter the exciting world of Operon Origins. Let the games begin.
It's 145 million market cap. It just launched. Yesterday. Quite flat. It's up quite high from launch though. It launched at 10 cents. So it 15x currently. If you bought it on day one, they're probably immediately raising money off token sales. Let's look at the token sniffer. Just two red marks. A wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens, which could have a large impact on the token price if sold. Only 40% of liquidity is locked in Trust Swap until unknown. It's probably in the white paper. Creator wallet holds 0. There's adequate liquidity. Creator not authorized for special permission. Ownership was renounced. It's not a fork of anything else. The contract's been verified. There's no buy or sell fee. No tax. And it's not a honeypot. The token is sellable. Score of 60 out of 100. Medium risk. Not too bad. I would say, what was it, 124 million market cap? 142. Huh. Well, that gained a lot of market cap really fast. It probably started at a pretty significant market cap. Initial market cap was probably, must have been about 10 million initial market cap. upon launch. Let me look at the Oro coin market cap. It's not that. What is this? If it's there, it is. So max supply and total supply is 100 million, and circulating supply 100 million. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that could definitely pump for a while. It might be good to buy in while it's been flat, just in this $1.28 to $2.10 range. Trending down could be good. A lot of times, even the best investments, they go flat for months. Just gives you adequate time to accumulate, and then boom, it takes off. Token Sniffer gave it a medium. I like that. Over 5 out of 10. So, I mean, over 50. It was a 60 out of 100. So, I like that. I want to look at Solana. So the 20-week definitely correlates with Solana too. If it holds it, it's good. I do see Solana going to 1,000. That is the last time I looked at Solana, and it's up 538% since 119 days. Solana made a killing already. It's got a lot of VC backers, a lot more. I mean, the price is going to go up crazy. It's going to keep on going. All the games are launching on Solana. Like I say in the Crypto Lodge chat, I'm a developer on Upwork, so I see the jobs coming in, and all the games are going straight for Solana. But it could have a little more of a pullback than Bitcoin if it wants to come bounce off the 20-week, which would be good for us. You could buy it at under $200 again. That'd be great. Because I do think it's going to 1,000. Right now it's on a downtrend. Let's go to the daily. That's an uptrend pointing. It's gonna grow explosively. This estimator's not right. Right now there's been a sell signal on it that has proven to be true. Support is at 116. Resistance is at 259. Let's go back to the hour. And yeah, that's not exactly what you want to see. Unless you're trying to buy the dip. then that's exactly what you want to see. But I would wait for a buy indicator. It would be great to grab Solana under $200 before the games kick off in Q1. That would be quite awesome. The Sol network's easy to set up on. Just Phantom Wallet Chrome extension. You just install this. It's a very secure wallet. I like it. Let's see what Phantom is doing. Everything dropping with Bitcoin. Phantom's been holding its own. It really has. But it too has been going sideways now for, volatile, but essentially sideways because we're at the same price we were 57 days ago. So we're going sideways for 57 days. It's enough time for people to do what they need to do and get this thing up to $5. That's when we'll see the Phantom altcoins explode, when Phantom makes a move up again. Let's throw it on the weekly. I don't think we have enough data on this. It's very far extended from its 20 weeks, so Phantom could have a pullback. If Bitcoin were to flash crash, get a shakeout, Phantom could go under $1.50 again, which would be an amazing opportunity. I would love for that to happen. Everybody should take profits on your gains. Like every time your coins hit an all-time high, take 10% profit into USDC, because these big dips are inevitable. Sports, did you buy any Solana alts yet? No, but the first thing I'm doing once I have the money is I'm coming to radium.io. Click launch app, go to pools, and then right here is the, I hope it's still here. I'm sure it is. C-War USDC. I want C-War. That's a Solana game using Unreal Engine 5. Exactly what I'm looking for. So all you got to do is input C-War and input USDC. Connect, put it into the smart contract, and you will earn %31 interest in C-War. So like I always say, don't just hold it, stake it. Or wait, that's not correct. Let me click on C-War again. I gotta open it. Yeah, I guess it's 31%. The highest here is 216% for TTT. Wonder what that is. Stars is another game, I think. Radium's being a launch pad for a lot of games. I think definitely Polis is another game. Is this Gina Pets? Ari. Ari's definitely one I'd like to get into. There's Polis, 15% APY. Atlas. So yeah, there's definitely a lot I want to buy, and I want to LP. And that's a good one right there. I wonder what TTT even is. Tab Trader token. A trading terminal for crypto exchanges. All the main crypto exchanges on one screen. All the exchanges, they're not kidding. Probably not a bad app. This would probably be added to KuCoin. Seems like something they would add. It's on Gate.io now. Alright. What is Cave? Crypto Caveman Club. Really nice dip. Market cap of 41 million. 7.5 million out of 100 million in circulation. That's not a high percentage. Enter the cave. I think I've seen this before. Spending cave in-game will be the only way to access gear. In-game marketplace. In-game consumables like weapons, potions, food, and of course pets. These will only be available with cave tokens within the game marketplace. Seasonal chest boxes. So you can buy chest boxes with cave. Real estate. All real estate purchases and transactions will be paid through CaveCoin. I would like to see some game footage or whatever. Looks like it's just NFTs for now. But that one is... Where's Radium? Pools. So there, let's go buy fees again. Woof. $28 million market cap. Launched in October. End of October, so not too long ago at all. That's why it's getting a high APY right now. Dex and NFT marketplace, launch Dex. NFT marketplace is coming soon, so it's a swap. It's a Dex. And I guess you can provide liquidity as well. Pools. See what kind of APYs are here on Wolf. Yeah, Atlas is on Radium. Oh, they just pull in the Radium pools here. Stars might be a game too. Mimo. I'm not even gonna look at that one. Spawn might be a game. SPWN. Is this a Solana coin? Yeah, it's on Solana and Ethereum. Audited by Certic with only 6 million market cap. Great price chart. Probably only on Radium and Uniswap and Bittrex and Probit. Cool, so they're already on 2 centralized exchanges. And the APY for Spawn is 102%. Really nice. Let me write that down. SPWN. Play to earn. Let's check it out. Bitspawn.gg and bitspawn.io. GameFi for esports and NFT gaming. Buy, trade, and sell digital items. Proof of respawn reward mechanism. Rewards are distributed by ability-based algorithms to align incentives between players, communities, developers, and brands. Bitspawn's gaming oracle enables the aggregation of on-chain and off-chain game data. Community developers are able to build powerful gaming applications and tools. The Bitspawn network is driven by the Spawn token, which provides utility in establishing a marketplace of competitive events and community rewards. Spawn has multi-level functionality, medium of exchange, wallet staking, gaming rewards, and progression, and community governance. So you can go ahead and sign up for beta. Looks cool to me. Wonder what I got in that game folder there. Fantasia and my DeFi pet. I look at so many games, it's hard to remember everyone I look at. Join any sports contest for free and receive Fant tokens when you win. Fantasia includes multiple game types and makes it simple for users to start competing and earning real value. In-game achievements provide another way to earn by simply using the platform. Fantasia's first season FanBots NFTs are live. This set of 8,888 unique generative art pieces not only looks good in your wallet, but provides in-game utility and profile customization. Create exclusive clubs to host contests with your friends and rivals. As your club grows and its members compete in more contests, watch your club level up and unlock exclusive platform features not available to a normal user. Compete in daily fantasy sports contests and win real prizes without wagering. Instead, users are rewarded for simply interacting with the protocol. When more users join a contest, the possibility of more rewards is increased. Free to join. Faint rewards given to users who are victorious. Basic achievements, and coming soon is the clubs. So Q deploy platform enhancements. Integrate new sports, private clubs, DAO functionality. Alameda. They're a big player. When IDO, that's funny how they spelled that. Mid-December on Solanium. So there it is. You can earn. You just gotta stake USDC and spawn. Enter it into this contract here and earn 102% APY on in spawn. And yes, Atlas is on Radium here. And so is Polis and Ari. Here's Atlas. Atlas USDC LP 13%. The bigger the market cap, the lower the APY gets. Upcoming Solana play to earn games 2022. Soul Jump. Ari is definitely one to look at. We'll look at that soon. Let's look at just these couple tabs. Soul Jump. Solar Jump. Solar Jumpers. They're NFTs. One Solana. That's a lot for one character. The mint starts in 9 days. And it costs a whole soul. But it'll probably be worth it. I don't know. Let's look at ew. That's so ugly. It's probably addictive and you probably win a bunch of money. That's so stupid and corny. First place gets 150 soul. So maybe you just need to buy one to join the competition, and if you win first place you get 150 soul. You double your money if you come in at least 50th, or at least 500th, you get 2 soul. If you come in 11th to 50th, you get 4 soul. I don't know what that game's doing on Solana. It could be on any blockchain. All right, let's go to the next one. So let's see. These are pumping. Let's see what the trending. Let's go to Solana. There we go. Soul Chicks is number 1. This one's up 13% today. Star Atlas. Or no, that's just social. Doesn't tell you about price. It just shows social activity within the last 24 hours. So people are talking about this is price. No, this is social. They should give you price too. This is Funky Fruits, an NFT play to earn trivia game, ninja game, RPG, multiplayer game. We'll check that out. Soul Worm, NFT strategy RPG. Open Era, that looks dope. DeFi, massive multiplayer online RPG. Sideball is probably awesome. I think I looked at that before. Here's a steampunk style RPG. Aurora is going to be huge, decimated. Definitely want that. Cryo War, Sea War, I definitely want that. Chain Myth. Genopets. I got that. It's on BSC as well, so. The token is on BSC to buy, but the game runs on Solana as well. DeFi Land is a multi-chain agricultural simulation. That's probably cool. Battle and race, mine the planets, earn crypto. Let's take a look at these. Here's a preview of the game. 50. Whoa, that looks good. See, this is the power of Solana. We can put these great 3D Unreal Engine 5 games right on the blockchain, no problem. Solana's fast and cheap, and it's going to be a great investment in my opinion. The Sol token itself. Woo! Is that it? Sorry about that. Had to step away. All right. So that intro is stupid, but the gameplay looks great. So this is Ninja Protocol. Let me reopen that tab, go to the website. I want to see the token. Impulse looks dope too. Let me check out Big Time. Three Kingdoms I already bought. All right. What is this? Bitcoin price alert. Bitcoin is down 5% in the last 12 hours. Is this not going to load? There we go. Ninja Game. Lots of awesome pictures. Great engine. What is the token? Ninja Dex. There we go. Ninja USDC. Not doing bad. It's on a good dip. Let's pull up the daily. It launched in June. Hit a peak of $4. Now it's at $1.42. It's been on a downtrend since October 21st, so only like a week or two. Well, actually, it's been on a downtrend ever since that peak there, October 9th. So almost a month of bad price action. Market cap. Not gonna tell me. Ninja coin market cap. It's up 17%, 25% today. Just pretty much flat on the week. Down on the month, down on 3 months. Just down since launch. Market cap is not shown here. Token not found. Shows up right here. Okay. Let's go to token sniffer. I don't know if they support Solana. Not token miner. Those are stupid. Yeah, it doesn't have Solana tokens. Here's BitSpawn. Wrong button. There's a YouTube, I saw it. No, I guess not. Let's see if CoinGecko has the market cap. 9 million. Circulating supply of 718 million out of 2 billion. So that's not very great. But all games are doing that, so they have adequate tokens to give investors and raise money. Ooh, this is looking good. So this launched in June, and ever since the end of August, it's been doing great. From 0.003 cents to a peak of 1 cent here. It's on a little dip. Yeah, I see this as a good buy. I mean, let's check the game out. Wonder if they have a YouTube. No, it's somebody else's channel. Bitspawn gameplay. Maybe there is no gameplay yet. Alright, well, price action is looking good, so there's something good about it. Let's open that back up and see what that says. Sports said, let's just say big time is going to be big time, but you can only get the token by playing, I think. I like that idea of only getting the token by playing. Then how do you sell it? And how does it appreciate? Investors can't get in. I don't know. Okay, so this is doing what a lot of other platforms are doing, where it's kind of just like you announce tournaments and stake tokens, and then you play a different game. Like here's Counter-Strike and FIFA 22. And then whoever wins those rounds wins the pot. And the Oracle, probably Arweave, pulls in the data from the games and distributes the rewards accordingly. Big time. I want to see open era here. Looks like it's got some good graphics. Kinda like when they have a YouTube though. Every play to earn game should have a YouTube with some footage. Decimate, it's gonna be dope. I think we've all seen the trailer enough times. I don't think there is a token yet. But you can, I think if you're a 3D modeler, if you know how to make 3D models, I think you can use their tools to build in this game and then sell it on the marketplace, and people will buy it from you. So developers get paid to develop the game, different levels, different. Here's a cargo ship transporter. Loading 3D model. Yeah, I think anybody can make these models and sell them on the marketplace. This is going to be awesome. I know a little bit about 3D modeling and texturing. This is something I could definitely get into, and it gives an opportunity for people all around the world to make money. Just install 3D Studio Max or Maya or whatever, and just get to building spaceships and sell them on the marketplace or whatever. There's a YouTube. Oh yeah, it's decimated, of course. There's no token yet. Decimated crypto token. I wonder if it's in the plans. Looks like it is a dope game though. It's coming. Yeah, it didn't go live yet, so I guess it's on people's watch list. It didn't launch yet. It's going to be called DIO. I'm sure it's going through some IDO phase. At some point it will be announced, so I'm watching Decimated like a hawk, waiting for this token. I would actually minimize this tab and keep it open forever. Wait for that IDO. Chain Myth has a YouTube. Good. Let's look at it.
Ever since our ancestors recorded, and as far as the stars remember, the gods are in deep sleep. When the star arises and the day comes, the voice of the...
Is it just me, or does that guy's voice sound like he's like on heavy doses of morphine or something? It's like God, living in the dark. Yeah, Sports said first-person shooters, survival, and massive multiplayer online are going to be the big ones. I agree. I want to look specifically for PvP FPS. Play to earn games. Shooter blockchain games. There we go. Impulse is another good one. That popped up right away. We looked at Impulse before. You earn $1 for every single kill. I think they just use an in-game stablecoin. But you lose $1 every time you die. Let's check this out. Impulse earn a first-person shooter that earns you $1 for every kill. It's Ascendance Games. NFTs. I think the AC credit is equivalent to $1 US. That's right. You could purchase AC from the in-game store. So there's no investment token for this one. At least not yet. JumpNet chain. Engine. It's the first scaling solution for Efinity. Efinity might do very well, so I'm interested to see how Impulse turns out. Do not believe it's out yet. We've been to the site. There's no download yet. Get early access. Yeah, so it's not out yet. The characters are kind of ugly. The models aren't that nice, especially the synths. But I think it'll do well because it's a shooter. We've seen this trailer plenty of times before.
Use them every death.
So it's pretty dope. Hodl God has unleashed a major update revealing 2 new maps. What is Hodl God? It's a PvP deathmatch carnage on the Wax blockchain. Look at that. Do they have a token? Yeah, they have a white paper. You could play now. Stream to earn. Void token utility. So there's the void token. Native utility token. By holding void tokens, players will unlock additional NFTs and void drops in-game. The more void tokens players hold, the more drops they will be able to access. Niftyville. In-game NFTs in Niftyville can be purchased with either Ethereum or Void. Players who stake Void or who have certain NFTs equipped can get a boost to their NFT Void drops in-game. NFTs bought or earned in-game are stakeable on when staking for passive Void income. Void market sellers and escrow agents who stake Void as credit will appear higher in the marketplace search engine. That's pay to win. But let's check out the Void token. Didn't launch yet. This might be something different. It's a hyper-deflationary currency that always say that shit. Nope. I guess they don't have the token out yet, or it's not on. It's Void.market. See, there would be a link to buy the Void token if it were out yet. Or maybe it is. Buy packs. Wax. I don't like Wax blockchain. So weird. But they've done a lot. Yeah, cheaters. People that just find like a good sniping spot and just blast all the new players, and you just lose $1 every kill every time you come in. I don't know. Hodl God looks cool. Definitely not gonna install it on my computer. Don't do that on any computer you're holding any crypto. Castle Crypto. Axie, Decentraland, the Sandbox. Yeah, what else is new? Geno Pets. I'm holding this one. It's a true massive multiplayer move to earn role-playing game. I'm just holding the coin, I'm not playing. DeFi land. Sounds cool. Let's go to this website. It's probably just GameFi. Like they kind of make it look like a game, but you're really staking and LPing. All right. You gonna load? I guess not. Here's Star Atlas. Of course, they got a YouTube. No videos on the channel. That's odd.
Legend has it that somewhere on the other side of space is a diamond the size of a planet. And everyone is out to find it. So I guess it all comes down to one thing. Who will find it first?
Great graphics. This is gonna be one of the best. I guess you could start playing now. Love this website. So you can sell planets. If you discover a new planet, you can sell it for $150. Let's look at the marketplace. Need Phantom, it's on Solana. Good. Phantom Wallet's nice. Can't lie. So, structures. Just look at how much the common structures are. Dex Marketplace. Oh, the sale begins in 27 days. Star Atlas is going to get huge. $28,000 is the asking price. That's crazy. For just a crew member. That's ridiculous. But I guess she's one of the best. Let's just go for... So this takes you to FTX. FTX is hosting Solana, now Ethereum NFTs too. And I think they're using Polygon. Alright, well that's enough streaming for me for today. I'm going to get out of here. Peace out everyone. Hit thumbs up on the way out if you didn't. And subscribe if you like the content.